Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to this one. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s squared, we have 2x. First derivative of s, you got about number 1, so we have number 2 in here. First derivative of number 2, you got about 0 because this is about the constant. And then we have the s. Later that, we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. S plus 1 ds we change by this one. So the integration of this one, that is about e to the power of u, and we put about c, and this is about the constant. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.